this episode of The Crazy Chef. Today we're making the classic garlic bread. We have a nice loaf of French bread here that is purchasable at any store, local. We are going to be using oregano leaves, dried oregano leaves. We could use extra virgin olive oil, but in this case we are going to be using margarine. Tastes just as good, and you can get it at any store. And for the garlic, we're going to be using granulated garlic, not fresh garlic. Fresh garlic you have to buy at a store, then you got to bring it home, you got to clean it, you got to store it, and you're going to smell like garlic for 2 or 3 days. This way here, you can put it in your spice rack and use it not only for garlic bread, but for whatever other recipes you might have. Now, we like to put the bread in the refrigerator for an hour or so it hardens up, makes it a little easier to slice. My beautiful assistant now will help us. I'm not going to discard the heel. We're going to cut it maybe 2 or 3 inches, and we're going to use that. And now the loaf of bread, we're going to slice approximately an inch, but we're going to cut it vertically, not horizontally. And we're going to continue doing this until we have the whole loaf is cut. Okay, now that your loaf is all sliced, approximately an inch, and you have the heel, we're going to start the buttering process using our margarine. You can use a butter knife, or you can just use a regular knife, whatever you feel comfortable with. Now the amount that you put on depends to you. If you like it nice and wet, put extra margarine. If you like it regular, like we do, we just put a slight amount and spread it evenly over the bread. Now that we have the slices all buttered, we get the granulated garlic and we spread it onto the butter or the margarine that we use, and that's why we're the Crazy Chef. We don't know the difference, but this is margarine. Spread it evenly. If you like a lot of garlic, put lots of it on. It's good for your health. If you want light, put light. We do medium to start with, and then taste it. If you want more garlic, put more garlic. It won't hurt you, it'll help you. Now we get our dried oregano leaves, and we spread it. Again, if you like oregano and you like the taste, put a whole bunch. If you want just a little bit to start with, put a little bit. This is the way we do it. Once you have this done, you can put them face to face, and you can store them in a plastic bag for when you need to use them. If you want to use just a few slices, use a few slices, put the rest in a plastic bag and refrigerate it, and you can use it next day, 2 days, even 3 days from now. They come back, they reconstitute themselves perfectly once you put them in the oven. Now that we have this done, we're going to put it on a cooking pan. Spread them out on the cooking pan. If you have more, you get a bigger pan. If you have less, you use a smaller pan. And we're going to put these into a preheated oven, 350 degrees, for approximately 10 minutes. Check it every now and then to make sure that it's not too toasty. If you like it toasty, leave it in longer. If you want it just soft, 5 minutes is enough. That's all up to the individual. But we're going to put it in 350 for approximately 10 minutes. Now here's our finished product. This was approximately 7 minutes. I like it like this. crunchy, but it gets soft in the center. If you want it a little more, you can leave it in a little more. Less, but anywhere from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. We put these out. You can put them in a little basket and serve them right away. We're going to put them here. And what's great about this product, it's very versatile. You can use this as a dip, dipping it into marinara sauce, into ranch dressing, salsa, whatever. You can use it and make little sandwiches. You can put some prosciutto, ham. You can put cheese. You can even make a little pizza, a little mozzarella, tomato. Or you can use it, the main course, as a side dish to eat and gather up your sauces with this.